So here it is, guys. We just put in our water. So we got plenty of it in here. It's about, we got probably about 15 gallons in here right now. And that's where we're gonna stay. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my marks over here on the wall, just where that water is sitting. I'm gonna let it finish. As you can see, that duck really helps out. If nothing is moving ever, he'll sit still. But I just got done pouring the water, and I splashed the water there to show you all that it had water in it. So another couple of minutes here, that duck will sit pretty still. And then we're just going to monitor everything till we, till tomorrow. I'll watch everything throughout the day, just kind of periodically checking on it. And then we'll let it go all the way in tomorrow and come in here and cut right there at the drain and get all this out, get it dried up, and start setting the floor. Look at that. Check it out. That's what it's going to look like at the end. The brushed gold hardware. It's all laid, and look at that. That's shiplap. Well, that looks really good. Be bringing the tile down right there beside it, all the way up. It's going to look really nice. Okay, so look, we're 6 rows up. And I just want to show you 6 rows. Completely straight. Everything like it should be. We're sitting here, we have a large, look, check it out. We got a large format tile. It's already been cut, shaped to fit left to right in our space. Now we're actually going to lay these down and block them up. We got the pretty subway tile back here, 6x18. So the easiest way to get this, you see our hot glue gun, it's already plugged in. And now we've got this templated 1/8 of an inch expansion joint all the way around, 1/8 and 1/8 from the wall to get our perfect pinstripe line over there. So now I'm going to hot glue this together, and then I'm going to be able to pull this out, put it right on the factory side bottom, straight across, and then that's going to tell me exactly where that horseshoe is, so we can cut this. These are very, very, very expensive, so we don't want to mess these tiles up. These are about $50 per tile, so if you cut wrong, if you oops, all this needs to be as perfect as we can get it. So, we don't want to take any risks, any chances. So it's easy to make a template, and that way it's on point. Takes a little bit more time, but it's correct, and it's going to save you a lot of trouble and save you from running back to the store, buy more tile.
All right, y'all, welcome back. Check it out.
See, please? No, I'm just playing. Come on in. So look, check it out, you guys. Right out the gate, yes, we're lacking a vanity that's getting custom made, and we're lacking a tulip that we had to order that's 18 3/4 of an inch tall, so a lot taller than the oven. But check this out. We went with black hardware, slicked up the doors 2 coats, all the trim work. We got the closet going on, and what we did was we took the life-proof floor in here, and we ran it up to the bottom of that first shelf, trimmed it out, just make it super cool. We got the shiplap on. It's all trimmed out to perfection. Matching shiplap across the room. Switched out all our switches to rockers. Got the new plugs, the new light. So, I mean, we're almost there. We're lacking the mirror, the vanity, and the toilet, but check this bad boy out. It's our shower now. So we got the curb on. We got the niche plate up here. All this is pinstriped. And this guy right here, Tom, you dare me?
Yeah.
No, I'm not going to do that. Say something. Say something funny. I dare you. All right, so yeah, so y'all, we love it. Absolutely love it. This is the 6-inch tall, 16-inch long subway tile. Man, we got that pinstriped pretty good up here. All the hardware and stuff is just immaculate. This is brushed gold. Went with the these tiles here, came from Floor & Decor. A lot of y'all have probably seen them. This is the matching octagon down here on the floor side. But we actually took the floor and ran it up that face before we put that curb and everything on. But I mean, this sucker's banging. We love it. Absolutely love it. So we're just, toilet ought to be in here in the next 3 or 4 days. And like I said, that vanity's getting custom made by Joel's Custom Cabinets. You know, he's going to do a heck of a job on it. It's going to have 2 frosted glass doors and a couple of drawers up underneath. So it's just typical. You can't find that really in a store. We're going to be making the countertop for that guy, though. It's going to be really cool. We don't want to spoil the surprise, but it's so going to go with this theme. So we're excited for that. We're going to show you all what's going on with that, and we'll be making that here this next week, hopefully real soon. But that's it. This is what we've been kind of working on outside of work. So we've been, you know, piddling at this for a couple days here, a couple days there, and we finally got it wrapped up. So we're just holding on those couple things. We'll install them and show y'all after, but couldn't be happier. So till the next one, you guys, we'll see y'all back with that big boy we're in. Be coming up this week. A lot of things going on over there. We'll be meeting with Mike. Billy's back. Yay, Billy! He's going to come over there, and we're all going to do this one together. So super cool, super excited. See y'all back on the next one.